bank. You're just being shocked. You're just being shocked. Even lama roses mina now sizwa ami ngizowadla nawe. Imali yama-finger hearts. Yabo, 10 rands and stuff. Ngizowadla now. Guys, yazini guys, I am running a competition. Ne? I'm gonna take 200 from this money. And we're going to yes, because sizoyenza kanjalo. When uzokhipha 200 on your side, mina nami ngizokhipha 200 on my side. Then senza a competition for our people. Our people are always here.
Mina ungangifaki lapho.
Hi guys, okay, it's fine. I'm gonna start to do a competition. Today it's the week, so every day when I knock off, check ukuthi who tapped the most more than everyone, right? Then next week, guys, that person walks away with 200 rand. Walks away with 200 rand.
Never pination. Umuntu ozobethepe kakhulu uthola 200 rand kumakoti nayo mina leyo mali leyo awu shembe inkomo yonke.
Wow
Awundawo mfazi.
Hi guys, Yazin, come to tap on my side, Shamina. You're gonna, we will get a chance to walk away with 200 rand. Hi, Bioza. Yo.
Yini?
200 nje. A1.
200? Ungathi nje. Ani 200 rand. Faka lo rand eqinini. Zwakala ama shuthi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ngiyofena 200 bese ngikhana ngithi rand.
Hawu wabioza wena ustingy. Shem. Okay, Shem. Bafe 100 rand he. Let's make it 100 rand.
Ngisho intombi yami ngiphi 10 rand. Lapho umunye umuntu 100 rand.
50 rand?
Ngeke.
Okay, it's fine. Mina ngizobanika ne. It's fine. Guys, it's gonna be on his side and on my side. So when Abioza uzongitshela every day ukuthi who was the highest tap and how many taps that person had. Yabo, then ngizoyirecorda and ngizoyibhala phansi. Like these people, they really support us. So we also have to give out to them as much as they give to us.
Man, lo zobethepa ngakimi uzomnika imali naye.
Ngizomnika 100 rand, then on my side ngizomnika 100 rand.
Lo 100 rand unike mina ngimnike mina.
No. No.
Phela nina bafazi niyazi imali nithi imali yokwenza. Imali ekusiyo ukuthi Hey. Awundawo, Shembe, ungabuya Nkosi uzolanda abantu bakho. Cha. Mina ngamane niyeke lokho kuthepha ngikanza kwethu ngeke mina ngize ngikhiphe imali. Imali yeqa 10 rand cha.
Okay, yenza 10 rand every day ke.
Every day.
Yeah, every day.
Ngeviki imali le. Ngonyaka. Shembe. Installment semoto ngeke.
Yes, everyday taps, guys. So I'm gonna take from top 10 or top 5, top 10. So calculator every day.
Angabanika kamashumi. Ngithi shumi. Hayi oshelini banika amashumi. Ngithi ishumi umuntu. Shumi.
Bioza.
Yeah. And
also I want to do, guys, if you're a girl and you're watching my live, I also want to do like clothes giveaways. So as you guys know that mina ngisebenza neShein, ngizokutholela like you see those but I'm only going to do that with subscribers on YouTube. since I'm working with Shein, yabona that Musera tracksuit that is famous. That Musera tracksuit that is very famous. So mina ngizokutholela yona on Shein. When I also like you will just say okay, I'm not gonna say like you don't have to choose, even if you don't choose the colors, because all of the colors are nice. So you're gonna like I'm still thinking about it and actually like want to draw it about like draw. Then I know Gucci there will be a winner who's gonna walk away with that tracksuit. Cause remember that tracksuit comes like it's a set, yes, but it comes 1-1. Angazi ukuthi ngiyangithola na. So yeah. We need so yeah guys, the winner will go away with that. Bioza nayo on